Hey, what is up guys, Ricardo from Flow Designs. Today I'll be showing you how to install jack nuts with the Flow Designs compression tool. And today guys, I'll be demonstrating on this sample side skirt that we mocked up, but don't worry guys, it'll be the same method for your car. So the tools needed to install jack nuts are the jack nuts, Flow Design compression tool, a marker, a drill with a small drill bit for the pilot hole, 11mm drill bit for the jack nut, and a ratchet or impact wrench with a low power setting. So the first step is to get your Flow Design splitter, line it up with your OEM side skirts, and using the marker, mark out these holes to the OEM side skirt. So once you guys marked out all your holes, you want to grab your small drill bit and you want to drill all the holes you marked out to act as a pilot hole or a guidance hole. After marking all the pilot holes with a small drill bit, you can now use your 11mm drill bit and make all the holes bigger. Once you guys have made your holes bigger with the 11mm, you can now get your jack nuts and insert them in the holes. So all you gotta do is just push them in. So guys, once you've inserted the jack nuts, you can now use the Flow Designs compression tool. And just a quick tip, make sure that the Flow Designs logo is facing you or facing down and not hidden on the side skirts. So now what you want to do is you want to put your bolt inside the jack nut, making sure that the compression tool is flat with the side skirt and the jack nut. You want to hand tighten the bolt into the jack nut. Then using a ratchet or an impact wrench on low power setting, you want to tighten the bolt. Do not over tighten this bolt, there is no need to. After the bolt is tight, all you got to do is unscrew the bolt, and if done correctly, the jack nut will remain tight in the same place. Alright guys, so that is how you install jack nuts with our Flow Designs compression tool. The jack nuts are now ready to be used, and you can now install your Flow Design splitters onto your car. That is how you install jack nuts with our Flow Designs compression tool. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and if you did guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the Flow Designs channel for more tips and tricks, as we have more coming your way, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.